Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to adjust brightness in laptop with keys. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, for example, I have this laptop and I want to increase or decrease the brightness of this laptop, and for every laptop there is always a button for function key, as you can see right here. So this is the function key which is named as FN. We just need to hold this key with the brightness keys. As you can see, there is a sun stamped on these keys like F4 and F5. So to increase the brightness of this laptop, I need to hold FN plus F5 to increase the brightness, and for to decrease I just need to hold FN plus F4. And these keys could be different in your case, like they could be F10 and F11. You just need to find brightness keys, and once you find them, just hold function key and press those brightness keys, and from then you can easily increase or decrease your brightness in laptop. So yeah guys, that's it. Now it's your time to repay me. For that you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.